Hi, this video is the art of hair transplant restoration surgery result 1 year post-op with before and after photo by Dr. Diep. And this client has almost 2,000 grafts and built the front hairline, and this is a year later. FUE, as you know, is the most advanced technology available. It's the least invasive, leave you minimal scar, allows you to wear your hair shorter. Through many years of experience, I invented my own technique called the DFC technique, which means deep FUE curve technique, and this specifically predict where the curly root lies and go in precise angle and harvest it out. For more information, you can go to my website at www.mxtaclinic.com or call 1-866-999-6482 or 408-356-8600. Or you can go to my YouTube channel. There's right side, left side, and top view. This before and after, a year follow-up. Thank you.